Hello foodies, Chef Pete here today. I am going to make Chef Pete's easy one pan carrot cake, okay? And what I have in front of me is I have over here in this carrots, and I have some beautiful, beautiful raisins in here, and they're soaking up everything good in here. Alrighty, sugar and some oil, and it's just soaking it up and macerating, which is getting the juices of everything, of the sugar and everything in there. And I'm using 1 cup of white sugar and 1 cup of dark brown sugar packed to make our sugar today. And what happens with the brown sugar is it causes the cake to be darker, and you get your traditional darker, there's a little secret, darker carrot cake, okay? All right, in this bowl I have a couple of cups of flour, some cinnamon, some baking soda, and some baking powder. And over here I have 4 eggs. I have 4 eggs ready to go. And then over here what I have to add in along with our raisins and carrots and all the good things is I've got about half a cup of chopped walnuts, which I've chopped just a little smaller. And as you can see, these are beautiful walnuts. Delicious looking walnuts, okay? And this gives our carrot cake a little texture. If you don't like walnuts, don't put them. If you don't like raisins, don't put them. Just leave the carrot in there and you've still got a carrot cake, right? Because that's what we're making. All right, so what we're going to do here before we put everything together is I'm going to get a whisk out, and I am going to take and kind of get together all of our cinnamon in here and our baking powder, baking soda, our little salt, and we're gonna get this just so it gets all mixed up good, because I'm gonna put it and mix it together here into our eggs. After I get the eggs going here, I'm going to mix the flour in there, and then the last thing we're going to do after we got the eggs and the flour mixture with the baking powder and the cinnamon and everything good in here, what we're going to do is go into the big bowl and mix that all together, grease our pan, 350 in the oven for about a half hour to 45 minutes till the toothpick comes out clean. If you're using 2 rounds, about a half hour, but remember, toothpick center comes out clean, okay? That's a cooked cake. And what we have to do with this is I'm going to spray it rather than grease it. So I'm going to spray it with Baker's Joy is what I like. And what it does is it gives